Yeah, I think one of the things you hit on there, and I love about being part of the team here at PivIT, is just the ability to have to provide our clients with options, and being an organization that's big enough from a standpoint that we at any given time stock about 100 million, $120 million from a list price MSRP standpoint, but also having the ability to be flexible enough that if a client wants some type of a rental situation, they want a hardware as a service for a longer period of time, we can do that. If they want current generation, like you mentioned, 9400 series chassis, we have those in stock. If they want legacy infrastructure and need to extend the life of their network a little bit longer, and they don't want to be tied and forced into end of sale, end of life mandates, we can help them not only from an equipment standpoint, but also from a next business day standpoint. You touched on it, where our OneCall maintenance offering, probably our fastest growing division of our company,
Right.
that's, again, globally providing next business day 4-hour SLAs for clients who are kind of feeling the pinch and wanting to lower those, maintenance and OpEx costs.